talk about learning mode. So you can see if you're in learning mode, you should be in default if this toggle is turned on. You can also choose the level in which you want to kind of interact with learning mode. And if you go into account settings, you can actually see more information about what each level kind of includes, and you can switch levels within account settings as well. Once you've asked a question and your learning mode is turned on, after it's generated the thought process, it will not automatically generate the insight. It will actually generate for you the challenge. So this challenge, it will tell you what you're going to be doing in this challenge and what kind of skills you might be working on, and the level that you're on. So you can see we're on intermediate level, and if we click Start Challenge, this is how the challenge will look like. You can navigate between challenges by seeing, so you'll see that this challenge has 2 different tasks to complete, and you'll see with these empty radio buttons that we have not entered anything, and so we therefore cannot submit until we have inputted information into the challenges. You can go into full screen mode, and this will help you kind of really focus in on the code itself and start understanding what you have to do. So if you see here, we can enter some information, and you'll see here, and then challenge 2, just put nothing. Once you've inputted information into the 2 challenge lines, then you can click Submit. The AI will then review your code and tell you, okay, there's an error here, and it will give you some hints to actually solve the code. If you submit again, let's say we just make some changes. If you submit again on your second submission, that is when it will actually give you an additional hint. So yeah, on 2 codes, and then on the 3rd submission, that's when it'll then give you the solution. You can copy this solution. So for challenge 1, let's copy this solution, paste it here. And for solution 2, same thing. Obviously, it's good for you to see the solution, but it's also good to just really understand why maybe you got the error and what you had missed. When we submit this time, it should be successful. Awesome. So now you've successfully completed the challenge. It will then show you the insight that you've been able to generate, which is in answer to that question. You can always see the challenge and be able to open that up and see more information about it. And that's how you interact with learning mode.